One of the most important skills you can have to level up as a content creator is camera confidence. And over the past 7 years and counting, I became better and better, especially as of recently because of my vlog channel. This is a simple but very useful skill that is forever changing. With that being said, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 5 camera confidence tips that will help you become a little bit more comfortable behind a lens. But before we get into today's video, I do want to cover this. You do not need to have the most updated lighting equipment, camera, iPhone, video camera. Everything matters on your delivery and how well you can speak on camera and how well you can convey your messages to your audience. And in today's video, we are also going to go over why camera confidence is important. And hopefully these tips can be applied to your content creation, or it can also be applied to your personal life, because I feel like confidence, it flows. It goes in different areas, and that's the beauty about confidence. I know for a fact, more on my channel, I'm sure that we're going to be discussing this. Camera confidence, or any type of confidence, is extremely important, especially when it comes to YouTube videos, for several reasons. Confidence is contagious, and it can captivate on your audience, meaning your audience engagement will be high, which is really good, especially when YouTube is trying to rank your videos. When you appear confident on camera, it instills trust and makes your viewers more likely engage with your content. It establishes a connection and keeps people interested in what you have to say. Confidence within your delivery establishes your credibility and expertise within whatever subject matter or niche that you are speaking about. When you speak with confidence, your viewers perceive you as knowledgeable and authoritative when it comes to that specific content. It's more like you're the go-to person whenever it comes to birds or cars, or even a specific car, which means making it more likely for them to trust in the information and your recommendations. All right, friends, let's get into the reasons why camera confidence is so important. Confidence enhances your ability to articulate your ideas clearly and effectively. It allows you to express yourself with conviction, ensuring that your messages come out clearly for your audience to receive. This is especially important when explaining complex concepts or providing tutorials on education content. We all know that making YouTube videos can be a little challenging, especially if you're new and you're not comfortable with a camera in front of your face. Developing confidence will help you overcome these fears by reducing your anxiety, improving your delivery, and enabling you to handle any unexpected situation that might arise during filming, because they do happen. And the best part about confidence can help your viewers watch your entire content all the way to the end. And that is especially important when it comes down to audience retention rate and when YouTube is trying to recommend your videos. And when you speak confidently, you are maintaining an interest that your audience is looking for, and they're more than likely to watch your videos from beginning to the end. Here is another one, and you will get to this point. Confidence contributes to your personal brand as a content creator. It helps establish and have a recognizable image within the social media world, making it easier for your viewers to associate your videos with a specific personality and style. I want you to think this. It is important for you to know that confidence doesn't mean being completely flawless or never making any mistakes, because in order for you to grow, you need to make the mistakes in order for you not to do those mistakes again. It means believing in yourself, believing in your content, and embracing your unique style and your unique voice on video. By being comfortable in front of the camera. With practice, anyone can improve their confidence and improve on their on-camera presence, which can greatly enhance and impact the success within your YouTube channel. All right, friends, now that we know why camera confidence is so important, let's get into the tips that will help you succeed within your YouTube videos. Number 1, practice, practice, practice. Makes progression. Doesn't make perfect, because nothing's perfect, but it can make progression. The more you get in front of the camera, the more comfortable you'll be. So all you have to do is, and I know this sounds so cliche, that you have to, practice. Like Olivia, I was just waiting for this whole entire video and you're saying practice. I want you to ask yourself this question. When was the last time you were in front of a camera? When was the last time you said you were going to record a YouTube video and you didn't? You have all the opportunities that are endless to you, but you decide not to pursue them. So practice. And once we get further within these tips, they'll all start to make more sense. Know your content. If you're well prepared and knowledgeable on the content that you are delivering, your confidence will show through. Take the time to plan, research your video, and your delivery will soon pay off. If you have to re-record something over and over again, do that. Because for this exact video, I'm doing the same thing. I'm re-recording certain things that I stumbled across, because I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. So therefore, when you are creating and building your videos and in building your confidence on camera, your excuses, they go out the door. Use positive body language, good posture, good eye contact through your lens and not your side camera, because it's so easily nice to talk to yourself, but you're supposed to be talking to the camera. Talk to your lens. Don't talk to yourself. Talk to your lens. That one will be so useful. If you're having a sit-down video or if you're making a tutorial, it's more important for you to look at the camera lens as opposed to looking at your side camera or your side mirror. Ooh, it's a side mirror? Girl, it's a side screen. So good posture, good eye contact, and facial expressions can go a long way. And this one's really, really important. Find your own style. Don't copy somebody else's work. Do not try to do that. Don't try to copy somebody else's on-camera persona. There's only one Mr. Beast. There's only one Emma Chamberlain. There's only one Catherine Manning. Be who you are. And this is something that I talk about on my channel all the time. Just be yourself. Just be yourself. And everything else will fall into place. Be yourself and find a style that feels natural to you. Your authenticity will shine through and will make you more confident on camera. And number 5, don't take yourself so seriously. This has to be like so true. So true. It's okay to make mistakes. We all do it. Don't let a flub line or awkward moment ruin your confidence. Just laugh it off and you just gotta keep going, because you'll be standing here for another 4 more years trying to start a YouTube channel, trying to start that business that you wanted to do and pursue. It just comes down to you just saying, you know what, let's do it. Because I'm going to share something with you I've never shared with anybody before. What I'm doing right now on my YouTube channel, it's not even scratching the surface of how much more impact I want to make within the world and also within my life with respects to my business, with respects to income, my love life, relationships, friendships, everything. So by allowing myself to be like, hey, you know what? I'm going to start that thing. I'm going to do it. You can stop taking yourself so seriously. Okay, if you know me, you know I take myself so seriously. I'm very humble, very humble, because at a click of a second, it can all be gone. By allowing yourself the freedom to express yourself within your videos and within your business and doing these things that you want to do, and by stop telling yourself that you can't be doing these things, you are creating more confidence within yourself. You're creating more confidence in a personal level and also in a creative level too, especially with respects to creating content online. Okay, and this has to be my number 1 tip. When I was taking a public speaking class back in college, the girl that I was working with, her name was Olivia as well, and I remember having a conversation with her, and she's just like, I can't stand in front of the classroom and talk to them. And I told her, look, if you're able to have a conversation with one person, you're able to have a conversation with many people. And if you're able to have a conversation with one person, you're able to have a conversation with your camera. By training your mind into thinking this and achieving it, create your content, be more confident, and also remember, you can have a meaningful and productive conversation with yourself. It's a great way to get to know yourself better and develop your own self-confidence and self-awareness. I want to leave you with this. Remember, confidence takes time and takes practice. Keep these tips in mind and you will be well on your way to feeling more comfortable and natural on camera. So with all of that said, friends, if you enjoyed today's video and if you learned something, let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a like, subscribe, and don't forget to just be yourself. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!